Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Metal Show 2014 here in Munich. And honestly, now the exhibition is quite full. We love it. And we have another fantastic mining company here in our little studio in the fair. Paul Kuhn, the CEO of Avrupa Minerals, is here. And we want to talk a little bit about this prospector generation.
Prospect generation, that's the word, yes. Exactly. We're European oriented. We work in Portugal, Kosovo, and a little bit in Germany.
Germany? Where in Germany?
We've got a project in the Erzgebirge near Freiburg, eastern Germany. It's a gold and tin project. We're not doing much on it now, but later. It's coming.
Fantastic. How does it work, prospect generator?
Avrupa is a smart geology group. We look for potential prospects in our areas of jurisdiction like Portugal. We dress the properties up. Small amount of money, less than 100,000 euros per property, let's say. Then we get a big project company like Antofagasta Minerals for our copper projects, Blackheath Resources for our tungsten properties. We get them to do the heavy lifting, the drilling, the funding of the big project. We do the operation, they spend the money.
Fantastic. Yeah, that's where we have met also, I think, the second time in Portugal. And fantastic. Can you maybe give us like an example, like you found Kovács for them?
Kovács was an Avrupa property for 4 or 5 years. We knew there was a mineral resource up there, a tungsten resource, and we shopped it around because we could not honestly run the project. Blackheath came along. They're a tungsten-oriented group. They have lots of tungsten experience. They're the perfect partner for this project. We enlisted their assistance, and they now have earned, I'm guessing, they're at 75% level. They've spent about €1.5 million, and we've just finished a drill project there this past week. So we'll have results. We'll have results soon.
Super. What is your feeling as a prospector? Can we build a mine there?
I will leave that to Jim Robertson to tell to let you know on that one.
At least I tried it. Yeah. Okay, give me an idea how money-wise your business runs. Where do you earn money, or how do you do it?
The big money we hope to earn is down the road. We end up being a minority partner in a mine, or a royalty partner in a mine. We'll have a long-term income from that. Right now, we use the funding from our partners to drill the projects, to test them, to try to bring them to a mining conclusion. One of our projects, we get two of our projects actually, we get an operator's fee. The other project, we work directly with the company. So we're not making money now, but we're paying our bills now.
Well, at those times, that's very important. What is cash in the bank?
About 600,000 Canadian right now. I'd like to say that through our partnerships, we've probably raised about $1.50 in funding versus every dollar in equity fundraising we've done. So we do pretty well with this prospect generation.
Fantastic. You mentioned also when we spoke before Antofagasta. What are you doing with them or for them?
We have a copper zinc project in the pyrite belt of southern Portugal. The pyrite belt is a very long-lived mining district since Roman times. There are 4 major operating mines in the district, and we're working just about 50 kilometers from the Neves Corvo deposit. We're looking for another Neves Corvo with Antofagasta. They have put in about $6.5 million so far to earn 60% of the license. We made a discovery this year in February. We've done the first, how should I say it, the first massive sulfide intercept in the pyrite belt in green fields in 20 years. And that was through our partnership with Antofagasta. It's a major discovery down there.
Absolutely, great. And let's assume Antofagasta will develop the whole project and maybe bring it into production or whatever. Could it be that you get something like a net smelter return or whatever?
Well, right now the deal with them is they can get 80% of the license if they bring us, carry us to production. So we would then have 20% of the mine operation, and we would pay them back through our proceeds, the initial proceeds. So we would be an 80-20 or 20-80 joint venture in a major mine. That's the goal.
But that would be like a jackpot in the lottery.
It's better than the lottery. We're manufacturing our luck in this one.
I love it. Great. What is your major goal for 2015? What do you want to achieve with the company?
First thing, I'd like to make sure that the Antofagasta project keeps going. That's number one. Number two, I'd like to see Kovash continue. And number three is we need a couple more partners. I've got 4 available pyrite belt licenses in southern Portugal, and I'm showing them off right now. I've got 2 or 3 interested parties. That's my those are my goals for the coming year. I've got one more thing. I got a project in Kosovo. We're drilling right now. It's a lead, zinc, silver, gold target, and we should have some information out on that early next year.
Great. Fantastic. Well, Paul, thank you very much. Keep fingers crossed and all the best for that.
I hope to see you again, Jochen. Thanks for having me on here.
You will do, definitely. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it was Paul Kuhn from Avrupa Minerals, a prospector generator. And yeah, you heard it. Very interesting company. Work with Antofagasta with some big names. And probably maybe by now not short-term sexy, but long-term very sexy, as they will get the money back from the investments what they have now. And check it out. Thanks and bye-bye.